everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have a lovely day. I'm going to be showing you what my choices were for this month's Feel Unique Pick and Mix sample service. This is how it arrives in the post. I've just ripped the top off there. So if you're new to the Pick and Mix sample service, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose this month, then look out for a timestamp down below in the comments and then you're free to flick forward. Feel Unique is a huge international online beauty store and they've offered two sample services. Unfortunately, for now, the sample services are only available in the UK, but I have heard that they might try to extend it out to the UK. So if I hear any more, you'll be the first to know, I promise. So the two sample services have the same concept, but they are a little bit different in price. So the one that I've got today is free. I choose 5 samples once a month for free, and then I just pay £3.95 shipping. And then once I have my samples sent out to me, that £3.95 shipping then gets credited back onto my account. Now I can't use that credit towards any of the sample services, but I can use it towards any of the beauty purchases on their website. So the difference with the other service is that it's more expensive, and that is called the beauty kit, where you can choose up to 5 samples once a month. It will cost you £12.95 and then £3.95 shipping on top, which then gets credited back onto your account to be used off other beauty purchases on the Feel Unique website. So this is free and the beauty kit is £12.99, and the difference is that the beauty kit has more larger samples and more, I don't know, more high-end choice maybe, as opposed to the Pick and Mix sample service, which have smaller samples and lots of like sachet samples and things like that. But they have been known to have a bit of crossover. So if you're looking at the beauty kit and you're thinking, oh, I fancy that, I don't know, say Clinique cream, take a look on the Pick and Mix to see if it's there. And obviously if it's there, then get it in the Pick and Mix because it's free. But yeah, so it's definitely worth checking them both out because they do have some amazing samples. Now there's no particular date that they release their samples, they just get released as and when. I keep going on there, just check in regularly, and if I find any amazing samples, I'll post it up on my Instagram page and my Facebook page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, so then I can show you, and it's up to you then if you fancy getting it for yourself. That's all you need to do, is to create an account on the Feel Unique website, and then once you've signed in, you're logged into your account, you are then able to pick your samples. Now you can only do it once a month, so say for instance you order on the 1st of September, you won't be able to order again until the 1st or 2nd of October. All links and everything related to the Pick and Mix and the beauty kit, plus the Feel Unique advent calendar, which is very exciting, which is coming out very soon. I'll pop all that down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and all links and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. So let's get on to showing you what I picked this month. I might as well show you 3 of them together. Now I chose 5 samples, but 3 of them are the same product, but different shades. I've got a Touche Éclat by Yves Saint Laurent Awakening Foundation with SPF 22, and all 3 are 5ml each, and I've got it in shade B10, B20 and B40. So I thought I'd give them a go and see which shade suited me best. So I'm going to try these 2 first. If I think the B40 is going to be a bit too dark, then I'm not going to open it. I'm going to save it for next summer. Or like when my skin is darker and I'm fake tan or whatever. So yeah, so I've used up 3 of my choices on the same product. But there you go. I am happy. 5ml is a good size to have maybe 1 or 2 tries, tests, applications, whatever you want to call it. Then I got this because it's super cute and I've had it before. It is teeny tiny. It's Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm, and I think this is 5ml. It just says, yeah, 5 grams. Look how tiny that is. That is so small. I love this balm. It is really, really lovely. Actually, I haven't tried many balms that I don't like. I really do like balms, they just melt my makeup away, but this is gorgeous. The smell is so lovely as well. It's so nice, but look at that, look at that. I'm gonna have to have a little tool or something to get that out because, yeah, I can imagine it going all in my nails there. But I just thought that was so cute. Maybe if I was going away for a night, I don't think that lasts for like a whole weekend, maybe 2 nights, or a night and a morning maybe. But I just thought it was so cute, and I saw it and I had to get it. And every time I see it on the Pick and Mix website, yeah, I have to get it. Sucker for cute minis. So there's that. And then lastly, I got a Madara, and this is a Jasmine and Meadowsweet Moisture Soap. And this is 10 mils. And I thought it might be a tube. I know it might be a tube, which is easier really, but it's fine. It is fine, because with a tube, obviously you can use a bit, put a lid on, use another bit, put the lid on, etc. With this, it's usually just like one use and that's it, unless you can like prop it up somewhere and make sure that it doesn't get thrown on the floor. But this is Escape to a Balmy Northern Midsummer Night with this heavenly scented moisturising shower gel. The heady and sensual floral aroma of white jasmine flowers combines with the softness of fragrant meadowsweet wrapped in the alluring haze of butterfly orchids. Your skin will be left clean, soft and delicately fragranced. That sounds amazing. And in all honesty, I would use that just in one use. So yeah, I can see the sense in why it's not in a tube. So I got that. So those are all my samples. So a pretty quick video today. I got 3 Yves Saint Laurent foundations. I've got a Emma Hardy Moringa cleansing balm, and I've got a Madara shower gel there. So yeah, I paid £3.95 for these, and it's going to get credited back onto my account. I'm bound to use it because I do shop regularly on the Feel Unique website, so essentially completely free for me. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you chosen samples this month from Feel Unique? Have you got any good samples that you can recommend? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.